Loaded hip hinging while bracing. Using a small weight, you're going to start in a deadlift position. You're going to find your 360 degrees of expansion. You're going to pressurize, brace, or hold that pressure as you stand up with the weight, holding that pressure and maintaining it as you set the weight back down, and then reset your breath and pressure, and then simply repeat with each repetition. This helps you train your breathing and bracing to maximize your intra-abdominal pressure when you start lifting heavier weights at the gym or just in life in general. Bracing allows us to prioritize spinal stability over oxygenation, especially when we need it.